Hello everyone, I'm Farel Imran from the channel Data Sciency, and today the topic that I'll be explaining you is called functions in Python. So let's get started. At first, I'll make a function and the keyword is def, then space. I'll write the name of the function. For example, if I want to add two numbers, I can write the word as add or add one or anything that you want. So here I'm writing add and then the round brackets. After that, I'll add the variables that can be passed as arguments. So if I'm saying first as num1, comma, num2, and then after that, I'll add the colon. Enter, then d equal to num1 plus num2. So that I'll say print and I'll write a string as add, then comma, say print d. Okay, now when I've made it this function, after that you have to call the function, otherwise this function won't perform. To call it, you just add the function name, which is add, and then you add the parameters to it, otherwise you'll get an error. For example, the two parameters that I want to add is 6 comma 7. So 6 is num1 and 7 is num2. Now when I run it, you can see the answer is 13 because the function has performed the addition. So that's why the answer is 13. You can add print and you can also use the word which is called return. Now, instead of printing, you can say return d. And then to show this value, what you do, you print it outside the function. If I say print add, comma, here you make a variable. For example, for this function, I'm adding it to add1 equal to add, and then you have to add 1 so that the function performs, and then whatever values come here, that will be printed. So when I click on run, you can see the answer is add 13. And for example, if I'm choosing the numbers as 9, the value has changed, it's 16 now. And that's all for the functions. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.